Yeah, awesome. Nice. Thanks for the demo. That is great.
Thank you for being
Use discount code JACOBVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Hey, Jake, get in here, bud.
I can get in. Thank you. Anybody want to hold this? You can hold it. Appreciate it, man. Woo.
Hello, sir. How are you?
How you doing, man? What's your name and full equipment before demo?
My name's Trey Cooper. I'm just the builder. This is Jay Spinell. He's the owner.
Okay.
It's 4 ZV515s and a 4th order 3-to-1. Yeah, TCD wall me on Scar 4500s.
Okay.
2 Scar 4500s and only one alt, 95 amp hours of CMAX.
Yep.
Is that right?
crazy, man.
For 415s, it's not bad.
That's really musical too. You got great bandwidth.
Thank
What does
you.
it play, like 23 hertz up to what, 60 hertz or
It
what?
drops off about 25.
25? Okay.
Yeah, but that's
Yeah.
like serious drop off. Like we
Yeah.
still get audible performance.
You do? Okay. Wow. Really good work. Who built this?
Me.
You
TC
did.
Designs.
Nice.
Yeah, that's
TC
me.
Designs. Okay.
Yep.
Awesome. Really good work.
Thank
I
you.
like the port design. It's a little bit unique and different too.
Thank you.
What's your-
Go ahead. You're
What's
fine.
your port area? Curious.
Fuck, it's a lot.
So I mean,
I don't know.
I
That's
would
one
say
thing. I was tuned to like 44.
44. Okay. I would probably guess around 560.
It's big. It's
Yeah.
400 plus.
Yeah. Awesome. Nice. Thanks for the demo. That is great.
Thank you
man.
for being here.
Really
Hey,
musical.
we wanted to give you this too, man.
Oh yeah? A shirt?
Yep, thank you, man. I
Oh.
saw our YouTube channel. It's so small, but
Okay. What's your YouTube channel?
it's
Liberty Base.
Yeah, at Liberty Base.
Liberty Base. All right. Nice to meet y'all, man.
Hey, man, thank you. We
Yep.
appreciate
Can I
it.
see the back? It's raining.
Go for it.
Use the umbrella so it don't get wet. Yeah.
Oh, the outside. Sorry. Base head problem.
Base head problems. I understand. Appreciate it.
You want a sticker too?
Make sure I don't get wet.
It's not that bad.
It's all
Nice.
Americana themed.
Is this the SK series or the RP?
SKs.
SKs. Okay.
They're wired at half M.
Okay.
I think we're clamping right about 10K.
Okay. Wow. Yep, sorry.
You guys are fine.
Awesome. Thanks for showing me, man.
Hey, no problem, man. Appreciate it.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.